weeks of second grade, you will be covering the closed syllable rule. And the closed syllable rule is simply a vowel followed by a consonant makes the vowel make its short sound. The kids will be taught, the students will be taught different ways to remember the short vowel sounds. One way is through hand signs, which for each vowel, which would be for the short A sound would be apple, a. For short E, edge, eh. For short I, itch, I. For short O, octopus, ah. And for short U, up, And the closed syllable hand sign is like this because when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it's closed off, and it makes its short sound, and that's a good way to review the short sounds. So those are the visual kinesthetic reminders for our kiddos to help remember these patterns. Now, in second grade, some kiddos are going to be able to come up with 2 or more syllable words. So I wanted to explain how that a 2-syllable word could have a closed syllable. 2 examples might be the napkin, and I've divided the words into their 2 syllables. So we would look at each syllable by itself to discover what syllable pattern is in that syllable. And in this case, nap is the first syllable that we say in napkin. And when we look at that, we see the vowel, which is A. It is followed by or closed off by the letter P, which is a consonant. And that is what allows that vowel to make its short sound, a, apple, a. And that's why we hear that napkin. Same with here, you could look at the second syllable too and see that that's a closed syllable, and the vowel in that syllable is also short, itch, I. Now in kitten is another example, and it has 2 T's. We refer to that as the rabbit rule. It's just the doubling rule. When you have 2 consonants that, 2 twin consonants, I guess we call them, one's always going to be silent. So it's not really kit-tin, because we don't say kit-to-tin, or however that would be. But this one is actually silent, but we've doubled the consonant in order to allow this to be the vowel, first vowel, to be short. So we're not saying chitin, because that wouldn't be right. And we have to create a closed syllable. And this vowel has to be followed by a consonant. And so in this case of kitten, the vowel is short because we doubled that consonant. And also in the second syllable, happens to be short because the vowel's followed by a consonant, the short E, so kitten. And I hope that helps with those 2-syllable words that I'm sure your kiddos are going to come up with this week.